Oke, halo semua. Kali ini kita akan mainin game Assassin's Creed 3. Langsung saja kita mulai. Single player, start new game. Oke, langsung saja
Used
ya.
to be when people talked about the end of the world, we locked them up or laughed them off. Sometimes both. But we never took them seriously. Maybe we should have. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Better to start at the beginning with the abduction of Desmond Miles, my son. This boy had no ambition, no direction, no plans for the future. What he did have was a heritage, one he chose to deny. It nearly cost him his life. He was captured and imprisoned. Those who took him believed he could help them find something. The apple. One of several artifacts we call pieces of Eden. Bits of ancient technology scattered across the globe. Some hidden, some found, all of them dangerous. Most are held by a single group, the same group that now had Desmond. You know them as Abstergo Industries. We know them as the Templars, as the enemy. We've been fighting them for thousands of years, even longer if you believe the stories of their origins. I do. After all, I've seen the truth. That's the beauty and the horror of the Animus.
Ezio,
A device that allows us to enter and experience the lives of our ancestors. It holds the power to change everything, to show us history the way it really happened. Up until its creation, to the victor went the spoils, went the truth. We're trying to fix that, to free minds and bodies both. But there's only so much that we can do, and the Templars have the upper hand these days. But something larger than the Assassins and Templars is approaching, bigger than all of us. And if we can't find a way to stop it, these next few weeks will probably be our last. Everyone's last. In the end, it all comes down to him. To Desmond. Through the Animus, he discovered his heritage, explored the lives of his ancestors, and uncovered their secrets. When that was done, he trained. He used another ancestor to provide decades of experience in the span of a few days. It worked. We think. We hope. Soon we'll know. That ominous date fast approaches, December 21st, 2012. None of us knows what it'll bring, only that this is where they want us to be when it does. They've been guiding us in their own fractured, frustrating way. These voices from the first civilization, the ones who came before, a precursor race of immense power and uncertain motives. They're the ones who made the pieces of Eden. This is where they've led him, and through him, us. He stands at the entrance to this long-lost place, armed with the knowledge of Altair and the abilities of Ezio. He holds in his hands the apple of Eden, and we stand at his side, ready to support him however we can. His name is Desmond Miles, and he has brought us to the end.
wih. Ini kelanjutannya dari Revelation ya? Tuh,
We're here.
di ending Revelation soalnya kita berada di sini. Wih, apa ini? Grafisnya ningkat banget
Let's go.
dari Assassin's Creed Revelation anjir. Oke. Oh, udah bisa digerakkan. Apakah kontrolnya masih sama? Belum bisa lari coy. Apple of Eden. Oh iya, ending Revelation kan mereka dapat Apple of Eden ya, di tempatnya Altair. Oke.
In another moment, down went Alice after it, never once considering how in the world she was to get out again.
Udah bisa lari. Kaget aku.
I think we're here.
Ya. Jatuh. Glow sticknya jatuh. Seperti biasa, Desmond yang disuruh jelajahi ya. Ini tempat apa ini? Apa itu? Gerbang kah itu? Ish, keren.
The key. You must find the key.
Kunci.
Son?
Sir.
Lah,
Here we go again.
Animus kah? Yah,
Desmond?
Do you hear us?
Yeah. What happened?
The temple triggered a bleeding effect. You collapsed and entered into a fugue state.
oh,
So naturally, you dropped me into the
Gara-gara
animus
temple
instead
itu.
of, I don't know, making sure I was okay.
You weren't in any danger.
langsung
Besides,
masuk
the temple appeared to
programnya
be
Animus
communicating
loh.
with you, and I didn't want to risk severing the connection. At least not until we knew what it wanted.
Right. Of course.
Gosh.
Son,
No, it's fine. I get it. And I know what I'm looking for, by the way. It's a key. Just no idea where it is, though. I guess that's why she triggered the bleeding effect.
She?
She.
Juno, Dad. She's talking to me.
Wih,
Okay, Desmond. While you were, visiting Constantinople,
Okay,
we picked up a software update for the Animus. I'd like to run a couple of quick tests, make sure there aren't any major issues.
All right. What do you need me to do?
We'll start simple. Walk to the marker over there.
oke. Parkour ya. Wush. Lari.
Okay, Desmond. Let's practice
Eish.
climbing on these objects.
Oke. Kontrolnya nggak terlalu berubah kayak Assassin's Creed yang dulu, jadi ya aku udah tahu. Tapi grafiknya ningkat banget. Pergerakannya juga. Oke. Naik.
Free run your way through this little obstacle course.
Set. Sinkronisasi free run to marker. Set. Set. Set.
That's a constraint. These are optional objectives that raise your synchronization rate. Alright, Desmond, follow the on-screen instructions and kill the 2 Templars.
Oke. Belum ada apa namanya? Oh, aduh, air assassin.
All you have to do here is jump the gap.
Jump to marker ke sana kah? Oh, terus ke sana. Di sana. Sana. Oke. Sana tuh. Ya. Oke, nyampe. Terus untung gak jatuh. Set, naik. Naik. Sia. Tinggi banget lompatannya. Oke, udah nyampe.
Synchronization levels look good now. We should be able to build the world. Time to find out what the temple wants from you.
Siapa nih?
Sir? Sir?
Sir.
Everything all right, sir?
Yes, fine.
Haitam.
I'm just preoccupied,
Sir.
that's all.
Namanya
Don't
Haitam.
forget your invitation. Master Birch will be meeting you inside.
Thank you.
Where shall I retrieve you once you're done?
Front of the Opera House. And be quick about it. Don't expect to be here long.
I'll bring her round at once.
Ini bukannya baju bangsawan ya? Ini kita mau kemana ini? Start mission.
Invitation, please. Shall I take your coat, sir?
Oh, dia gak mau ngasih jubahnya. Gede banget jubahnya.
You are requested to kindly find your seats.
Find your seat.
Good evening, sir. This way, please.
Kok kameranya gitu, kaget aku. Kameranya kok muter. Dari gamenya kayaknya. Muter bro kameranya.
Evening, Haytham.
Evening.
Reginald?
I can't tell you how happy I was to hear they'd mounted this revival.
Ya kayaknya
His best work by far.
assassin yang nyamar dia.
You've seen it before.
Once. My father brought me here as a child. Though I remember little of it. I don't suppose tonight will afford me the luxury of a proper viewing either.
No, I'm afraid it won't. On to business then. Do you see him?
Wih, abu-abu.
He's seated in one of the boxes above.
The stairs are watched. You'll need to find another way up.
Kan bener kan? Nyamar dia. Find schedule. Schedule.
1,000 pardons. So sorry. My
Sumpah.
apologies.
Lu naik dek tempat rame kayak gini anjing. Assassin apa tuh? Hold start climbing. Oke. Dateng. Tempatnya rame gini tuh. Naik. Ya. Oke. Climb up to balcony. Naik ke balkon. Wih, untung gak jatuh. Naik. Oke, terus mana balkonnya? Masih naik. Oke. Oh ini. Oke. Pick lock. R to rock. Wih, keren. Ada mekanik lockpick loh. Keren. Apa tuh tadi? Oh, ish, jatuh loh. Oke. Siapa tuh? Ush. Hitam. Jangan masalah. Jangan nyari masalah lah. He's a marvel. Ngeri banget. Takut jatuh aku. Ini kah target kita kah?
Haytham. You should have come to me. We would have found another way.
Yes. But then you would have known. For what it's worth, I'm sorry.
As am I.
Aduh. Kena Eden kan? Kena Eden Blade kan? Anjir. Anaknya. Sesantai itu kah dia? Sesantai itu coy. Langsung exit the opera, langsung keluar. Wih, tuh ketahuan tuh.
Come, please. Over there. That man there. Seize him.
Wih. Apa itu?
Search him. Any weapons?
Dicurigai kah? Padahal impostornya di sini loh.
Did you know anyone
Bukan di sini. Oh, ini. Aduh, minggir. Padahal yang ngelakuin di sini, Jir.
Peace, friends. There is no danger.
His friend.
It happened right in that balcony.
What are those men doing?
There is no danger. There's a killer about. I'm staying where it's safe. Peace, friends. There is no danger. Move.
Dia santai loh dia.
Where are you going?
Mana kau pergi? Banyak yang dicurigai. Tapi kok dia, padahal dia paling mencolok loh. Kok gak dicurigain anjing? Ini emang penjaganya yang agak-agak apa gimana? Apa dia? Dia ngapain? Permisi. Tuh. Emang ya, pakai orang dalam dia itu.
And how was the opera?
Rather dull, truth be told.
Shall we be off then?
Aye. To Fleet and Bride.
By your command.
To Fleet and Bride.
Fascinating. Gentlemen, I hold in my hand a key. And if this book is to be believed, it will open the doors of a storehouse built by those who came before.
Ah, yes. Those who ruled, reigned, and vanished from the world. Do we know what it is that will be held within?
It could contain certain knowledge. Perhaps a weapon, or something as yet unknown, unfathomable in its construction and purpose. It could be any of these things, or none of them. They are still an enigma, these precursors. But of one thing I am certain. Whatever waits behind those doors shall prove a great boon to us all.
Or our enemies, should they find it first.
They won't. You've seen to that.
I assume you know where this storehouse is?
Ah, Mr. Harrison.
Gentlemen,
How fare your calculations?
I believe the site lies somewhere within this region.
That's a lot of ground to cover.
My apologies. Were that I could be more accurate.
That's all right. It suffices for a start. And that is why we've called you here, Master Kenway. We'd like for you to travel to America, locate the storehouse, and take possession of its contents.
I'm yours to command, although a job of this magnitude will require more than just myself.
Of course. Upon this paper are the names of 5 men sympathetic to our cause. Each is also uniquely suited to aid you in your endeavor. With them at your side, you will want for nothing.
Burik banget tulisannya.
Then I'd best be on my way.
I knew our faith in you was not misplaced. We've booked you passage to Boston. Your ship leaves at dawn.
Naik kapal.
Go forth, Hatham, and bring honor to us all.
Oke. 100%. Rendezvous. Lagu bajak laut banget. Bukannya Assassin bajak laut itu Assassin's Creed 4 ya? Wih, lagunya loh.
Some fresh air might do me good.
Asik, udah bisa lari kita.
And then all will be well.
You sure about that?
Of course. Have I ever led you astray?
Nah. No, you don't sit right with the others.
Have faith, my friend. You'll see.
Well, well. Seems our esteemed guest has deigned to grace us with his presence. You might want to head back to your quarters. Top deck's no place for tender Parnells.
So I thought.
Diajak.
Here you are.
Fancy yourself a joker, eh? Let's see how funny you find this.
That's enough, Graves.
Diajak belut.
Stay out of this.
Baku hantam kita. Hold B. Tahan. Wih, langsung. Gitu doang. Yalah, cupu banget.
Please, fans, call this off. If the captain sees us...
To hell with the captain. And to hell with you, Mills. Whose side you on anyway?
Cupu banget, sih. Counter. Wush. Walah. Dibanting.
We're ready to go again if you are.
This is unwise.
Lagi.
Why's that? You think I'm afraid of you?
No.
Belum kapok dia.
But you should be.
Oke. Ush, 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 ush.
Do you yield?
Gila.
Never.
Ya. Curang. Pakai pisau dia. Ush.
What's the meaning of this?
Captain, explain yourself at once, Mr. Kenway.
These thought
We were simply
Kenway.
passing the time with a bit of sport, Captain. How about you pass the time by doing your goddamn jobs instead? I wasn't aware I was paying you to loll about. A word, please, Mr. Kenway.
Langsung dikasih paham sama bosnya, sama
Oh, I
kaptennya.
nearly forgot.
Yeah.
There's your knife back.
There's your knife back.
I don't care for you, Mr. Kenway. I've had nothing but trouble since you came aboard.
Your problems have nothing to do with me.
I beg your pardon?
You're a poor leader, ill-tempered and cruel, and it's clear your crew has no respect.
Look, I don't want to argue. In fact, I need a favor.
Oh, this is rich.
I suspect some of the men intend to mutiny.
Really? What a surprise.
As I cannot trust any of them, I am compelled to turn to you.
And why should I help you?
Because if they do intend to betray, I'm the only hope you have of reaching America alive.
Mencapai Amerika
what
dengan
will it be?
selamat.
If what you say is true, what other choice do I have?
Thank you.
But let me be clear. Should you ever dare to insult or threaten me again, I'll not hesitate but to cut off your head myself.
Wush.
Are we understood? Excellent.
Lebih galak, cur. Diminum.
Good day.
Atlantic Ocean. Day 28. Buset. Sebulan ya? Lama banget.
Mr. Kenway.
Captain?
Whatever they're up to, I believe it's coming to a head.
I'd best get to work.
Apa itu?
He's cut our rations again. Claims
You're not having second thoughts, are you?
I know it needs to be done, but...
You there! I have some questions for you.
That's nice, but I ain't got time to gossip. Probably wouldn't have anything useful to share anyway. You want information? Try the cook or the doctor. Everyone's always chatting them up. The shifty fella won't hardly take his hat off.
Quiet!
Disuruh tanya.
Here he comes.
Dokter
Make like you're working.
or cook?
A doctor, if you have a moment.
Have you taken ill?
No, nothing like that. I was wondering if you'd heard any rumblings of trouble aboard.
What sort of trouble?
Unusual complaints or grievances? Men taking issue with the captain
You
or the
sound
passengers?
just like James. Like I told him, I've been much too busy with my research to notice anything not work-related.
And where might I find James?
The galley's your best bet. Now, if you'll excuse me...
Oke. Itu tadi dokter kan? Kita coba tanya sama...
Are you James?
Aye.
Hatham Kenway. Pleased to meet you.
I know who you are.
I was hoping you could answer some questions.
I figured as much, but not here. Follow me.
Wish. Disuruh ngikut.
Know what you want to know.
Have you seen or heard anything out of the ordinary since we left port? Anything that gives cause for concern?
Some of the men have been gathering at night on the upper deck. I've only caught bits of their conversations, so I couldn't say for certain what they're up to. But I suspect it bodes ill.
Is it a mutiny they're planning?
All I know is they've little love for the captain. Mills has been trying to talk him down, but there's only so much one man can do.
Thank you for the information.
I only wish to see us reach the colonies alive.
Untung nggak ditagih. Biasanya gitu ditagih terus berakhir kita gelut sama dia.
Evening, sir.
Evening.
How are
Sore.
things?
Calm and quiet. Just the way I like it. What brings you topside?
Thought I'd wander a bit. Stretch my legs. That's all.
Take care where you tread. The deck hides all manner of danger in the dark.
What was that?
Kayak ada yang nyemplung. Apa itu?
Someone's throwing cargo overboard. But why?
Ada yang ngelempar. Ada yang ngelempar kayak gentong ya. Apakah ada maling?
He's cut our rations again. Claims we're not provisioned for such luxuries.
It's not right that you feast on lamb and wine. We're stuck with tinned fish and biscuits.
Untung dia punya eagle vision. Udah ditandain. Ada tanda X ya.
Most curious.
Mencurigakan. Sebulan. Udah sebulan. Ini beneran kah dulu selama itu anjir? Selama sebulan loh. Gak habis tuh bahan makanannya.
Any news? Each night it's the same. I scout one area, and they drop the painted barrels from another. I'm going to need to recruit an extra pair of eyes. Maybe James or Mills.
Why are they doing this?
Near as I can tell, the barrels serve as markers. They're leaving a trail. My fear is it's only a matter of time before whoever's following it.
Ship sighted aft! She's making ready to fire!
Huh?
Beat to quarters, men! Ready the... Brace! Everybody down!
Cier, diserang coy. Berarti itu kayak
A warning shot!
penanda ya.
Sink us, but board us instead! Man the cannons! Make ready to fight! I want you below decks.
Why? Let me help you secure the ship.
Do you know how to rig a sail? To load a cannon? To wage war at sea? I didn't think so. Now return to your cabin. Or do I need to have you escorted?
Disuruh balik ke bawah dong. Padahal dia assassin loh, bisa bantu loh.
Secure the hatch!
Si kaptennya tolol nih.
Have you been topside? A ship's appeared and means to board us. It's strange. There's no sign of mutiny aboard. Doesn't make sense.
Ah, but it does.
What do you mean?
Did you think you could escape from London so easily after what you did at the opera? That we wouldn't notice?
Huh?
That we wouldn't follow?
Dia tahu kah?
Ah, so that's what this is about.
Surrender, and I will see that you are treated with honor.
Jangan bilang dia yang anu.
Honor. Give me a sword.
Are you sure this is how you want to play it?
Oh enggak. Tapi dia tahu loh apa yang dilakukan Haitham pas di opera. Wish, teliti banget. Oh, duel. Oke. Wih, bener. Duh. Oke. Ya. Pedang. Wush. Ya. Tusuk. Ya. Kelar kah?
I told you to stay below decks.
I did as you asked. Only Mills was there waiting for me. He's the one that drew that ship here. There was no mutiny, only him.
What do they want?
Me.
Then they can have you.
Is that so?
They'll catch us anyway.
Hidden
There's
blade-nya.
nothing to be done.
I can think
Ditunjukin.
of something.
Ditunjukin dong. Pamer dia.
You wish us to sail into the storm.
It's our only chance.
I won't do it.
Then I will.
All right.
Diancam.
All right.
Diancam dong. Disuruh masuk ke badai. Later day. Setelah hari itu. Itukah yang di belakang itu yang ngejar kita?
We need those ropes secured! I told you this was
On
madness.
yourself. I'll fix your sail for you.
Sail, kita harus... Aduh, untung nggak lompat kita. Layar kan ya, sail itu. Oh, sana. Buruan, buruan, buruan. Wih, ya putus. Buruan. Ah ya Allah. Buruan. Hitam.
We need more speed! Loose the sails!
Loose the sail.
Take them! You take the foremast! James! To the mainmast with you!
Ay. Ini naik dari mana nih? Ih, ngeri. Ngeri banget naik. Aduh. Kok nggak bisa? Aduh, komputer. Ya. Oh, dibuka. Ya. Sambar petir. Ya, hancur.
Hurry! I can't hold on much longer!
Di waktu. Buruan, hitam.
The rope's too wet! I'm slipping!
Untung.
Oh, thank you.
Ya iyalah. Udah hujan, basah. Licin, Dir. Ya. Kapal musuh juga kena, Cir. Gak apa-apa, kita selamat berarti. Anjir, 2 bulan. 72. 2 bulan lebih, bre. Udah, tuh kayak udah lemes semua tuh awak kapalnya. Anjir, 72 hari, bro, di atas kapal. Apa tuh, emas? Tuh udah mulai. Bosen sih pasti. Meet the captain at the boat. Mana kaptennya, anjir? Oh, ini.
Make ready for our arrival, men!
Arrival? I see no land, only this interminable fog.
The gulls tell us all we need to know. Climb into the crow's nest and you'll see.
Disuruh naik. Disuruh naik biar bisa ngelihat. Untung di assassin ya, jadi pintar naik. Ish. Naik. Tinggi bener dah. Yuk. Sampai hampir ke awan dong. Apa? Daratan kah? Gila. Seperti biasa, pembukaan assassin selalu ada di atas. Gila.
Master Kenway! Master Kenway!
Yes, may I
Siapa
help
tuh?
you?
Charles Lee, sir. A pleasure to make your acquaintance. I've been
Charles
asked to
Lee.
introduce you to the city, help you settle in. Oh, no need, sir. I've arranged for your bags to be delivered to the inn.
Oh,
Are you by any chance John and Isabella's son?
One and the same.
Your commission is with Edward Braddock, is it not?
Aye. But he's yet to reach America, and
Ini kayaknya
I figured I might...
bakal lama deh.
At
Oke,
least until he arrives, I thought.
kita lanjutkan besok.
Yes, out with it.
Terima
Forgive
kasih
me, sir.
untuk episode kali ini. Kita
I
selesaikan
had hoped that I might study
sampai
under
sini
you.
saja.
If I am to serve
Bye-bye.
the order, I can imagine no better mentor than yourself.